What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Mr. Sakamoto from Sakamoto Days. Good, fun, assassin-based comedy anime. It's pretty good. It's pretty funny. Recommend. Landscape page, use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So our favourite thing to draw on this channel, glasses. Not. But if you have a stencil, if you have a compass for the circles, because he has like perfect circle glasses. We'll do our best to freehand it. But if you're something the right size, feel free to stencil it, because that's the way they do it in the anime anyway. Allegedly. So, center point here, come up, and we'll start with those glasses, right? And particularly the part that comes over his nose. Like that. Right, and then next line up here. Like so. Now we got to do two circles, right? And if we'll mark size wise, right? So we'll go, I always have to hold my breath doing this. So we'll go there and then there. So I'm going to attempt. You can sketch it out lightly and then clean it up as well if you'd like. Okay, not bad apart from that little hairy line there. Maybe he's been fighting and he has a crack in the glasses. Maybe. Or I'm just bad at circles. So he's got that thing that sits on his nose. You know, that glasses have. And we got to do this over this side. Try and get to the same height. You could use a ruler, you know, if you wanted to measure like how high up and down to go as well. Nothing wrong with that. So, ooh, did I go too far down? Maybe. It'll be fine. It's fine. Let's see. I think I want to wait. Oh no. No, well, it could just be that his head is tilted. Okay, we'll just try and clean up this line here. That one's bigger, but go down like that, and I'll just make this one a little bit bigger. Very hard drawing man-made items. But in general, for freehand circles, not bad. Right, and then the things that come out the side of his glasses, you know, that go behind his ears, they're just like little rectangles coming out here. And then they go sort of diagonally down this way, and they kind of just disappear behind his ears. Right, eyebrows, kind of high up, so we'll go just kind of just a curved line like so, and then we just add a part that's kind of spiky that we can color in gray in there. Remember, if I'm going too fast, hit pause. So we'll go there like so. And then his nose, so they go, what way do they do the nose? It's like just like a little triangle. That's different. Curve line there. And then up like so. And he's got his mustache, and they only do like hairs basically. And they color sort of around everything then. Gray. Now, so his face shape, so say like underneath the glasses, right, what will help us is that he's got a little V. That's like his hair, right? It's like his sideburns. Right? And then his round face kind of comes down from there. Right? And they don't like draw in the whole lot of it. It's kind of like it just goes in, like he has, I think I should draw a chin line, maybe. They do it with shadows sometimes, but I'm going to draw it in, okay? I'm just going to go like that. You could just do like a little piece of gray shadow or skin color shadow down there. Okay, his ears. Out, down, in. Right, and then ear lines inside. The easiest way, letter J. Okay. Most animes will do a little bit more than that though. So you could, you could just go do this little bump that they do. And then maybe like extra lines down there. Now, hairline. So he's got this zigzag hairline. I'm going to about here, I would say. And it just comes down this way because his hair is kind of tied back. Right. And then basically round head. We'll do it kind of maybe a little bit bumpy just to show that it is sort of tied back hair. And then some texture just coming from these. Rightio. Neck. Pretty wide. There. T-shirt. Coming across this way. Right, then the outside sort of section of it. Right, and then shoulders. Big shoulders, and he has of course that strap hanging down for his apron. I think his body's kind of turned a little bit. Go down that way. So t-shirt line there, shoulder going off this way. Maybe like a bit of an armpit line or something there. And then just like clothing sort of being pulled across his body. And that's it. Did you get everything? Sakamoto from Sakamoto Days. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.